Good morning. Thank you so much, Judge Jessner, for your kind remarks. It's such a pleasure to be here with all of you today. I want to start by acknowledging and thanking the Los Angeles Superior Court for all the work that you've done and will do later today, the Los Angeles County Department of Children and Family Services, the Alliance for Children's Rights and Public Counsel for organizing this wonderful and important event. It truly is an honor to be a part of it with all of you. I also want to thank all of the judges. I've been able to meet many of you today. What you're doing here today is so important and so remarkable. Staff, attorneys, and everyone else who volunteered their time and put so much work into making this event so special. I understand I am not the first Chief Justice to join you. Former Chief Justice George took part in one of your adoption Saturdays here in Los Angeles, and now I can see firsthand why he enjoyed it so much. We haven't even really started with the actual events and the ceremonies today, but you can already feel all of the energy and positivity here in this room. I also understand that Adoption Saturdays originated here in Los Angeles. It's interesting to me. I'm noticing a pattern lately. Things in LA spread, I've noticed. And they're now yes, in a good way. They're now happening in other counties around the state and across the nation. What you've started here not only contributes to the well-being and happiness of the hundreds of children and families taking part in the adoptions. Events like these also help to put a spotlight really on the critical need to ensure safe, loving, and permanent homes for the thousands of children in foster care still waiting for their forever homes. Last year, more than 400,000 reports of child abuse and neglect were made in California, and about 21,000 children entered foster care. Children who currently actually are about, the number is startling, 51,000 youths aged 21 and younger in the state, living apart from their families in out-of-home care. The Judicial Council of California, which I chair in my role as Chief Justice of California, recognizes the critical importance of ensuring safe and stable homes for these children. 1999 was the first year the Judicial Council declared November to be the Court Adoption and Permanency Month, and we have been doing it every year since then. In fact, just yesterday, at our Judicial Council business meeting that took place in San Francisco, I signed a resolution, and we highlighted that this year's resolution was part of this historic event that's a continuing tradition for us. We featured a presentation about the importance of finding permanent families for children in foster care and how the courts and our justice partners help to make it happen. We recognize that this is a collective effort. We are committed to working with the governor, the legislature, the local courts, and communities to provide children and families with access to fair, understandable judicial proceedings leading to timely and just permanency outcomes. We recognize the significance of our duties and what is at stake really with every decision that we make as judges. Our judicial system is where critical decisions are made, including life-changing decisions, like where and with whom a child will live. Judges, attorneys, and child welfare professionals work collaboratively so the judge can have the most information to make the best decision for each child and each family, because we share a belief that all children are entitled to a safe, permanent family that will love, nurture, and guide them. And as I look around this room, it is evident to me that everybody here shares that same commitment. What courts and our justice partners do every day makes a huge difference in the lives of these children. So I applaud all of you and really want to thank each one of you for giving me the pleasure and privilege to be here to share in this moment. Thank you.